Ever wonder how your digital data stays safe, even in the vast, wild west of the internet? It's all thanks to blockchain security best practices. When it comes to blockchain, think of it as a digital ledger, not just a list, but a fortress, where each block of information is chained to the next with unbreakable links. But even the strongest fortresses need guards and rules to keep them safe. That's where blockchain security best practices come in. First off, we select a secure consensus mechanism. This isn't just any old decision-making process, it's the backbone of blockchain's integrity, ensuring that each transaction is agreed upon by all, leaving no room for foul play. Next, we dive into encryption, turning plain data into uncrackable codes. Imagine locking your secrets in a vault so secure that only you have the key. Speaking of keys, securing private keys is like keeping the master key to your personal treasure under lock and key. But it's not just about locking things up. We also rigorously audit the smart contracts. Think of these as the rules that govern the flow of digital assets, making sure they are tight and right. And just like any system, upkeep is crucial. Regular updates keep the blockchain resilient against new threats, kind of like updating your home security system to keep the bad guys out. Lastly, we ensure transparency and legal compliance, building trust and ensuring everyone plays by the rules, maintaining not just security but also integrity and trustworthiness of the entire blockchain ecosystem. In blockchain, every block, every transaction, and every user is part of a larger story. A story of secure, transparent, and reliable digital transactions. And with these best practices, we're not just building technology, we're building trust.